Do you love mac and cheese just like me and just can't get enough of it? Here's a healthy way to make a healthy alternative of Cottage Cheese Mac and Cheese, which is super creamy, comforting, perfect weeknight dinner, which is also healthy, low carb, keto, and high in protein. Let's get started. First of all, you just want to add some whole wheat pasta in a skillet along with some bone broth and cook it over very low heat until it gets al dente. And meanwhile, to make the cottage cheese sauce, add some fresh cottage cheese. Next, add some onion powder, garlic powder, some dried oregano, salt and pepper as per your taste, and also some red pepper flakes. Also pour in some whole milk. This is low fat milk which I'm adding here. Blend it all until you have a smooth and creamy mixture ready. And as you can see, my pasta is cooking in the bone broth. This is so easy and healthy. You can easily make it at home. Use low sodium bone broth into making this one so that it gets more healthy and high in protein. And there you go, just want to blend it all until it gets a smooth cottage cheese sauce ready. And as this cottage cheese sauce is ready, you just want to pour it directly into the skillet. You do not want to add any other oil or butter into making this one. Just add the sauce and add the cooked and drained pasta into it and simmer over very low heat for 4 to 5 minutes so that the pasta soaks up all the sauce. And there you go, you don't have to add any other seasonings here as well because all the seasonings you've already added while making the cottage cheese sauce. Just grate some fresh Parmesan on top and this will be ready to serve. Just add a heaping dollop of this in a pasta dish and your cottage cheese mac and cheese is ready in no time. Perfect weeknight dinner which you should love to indulge into. You can find all the alterations and the recipe description in the description box below. Just garnish with a sprig of parsley and this one will be ready to serve. Also, you can manage the macros as per your choice of pasta. Here I'm using whole wheat pasta. However, you can use lentil pasta or chickpea pasta as well. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so that you can keep receiving more updates like this. Have a great day.